Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics: power and fiber lights on the modem. If a light is amber, reboot once. Why? Because many faults clear with a clean startup. Next, log into the admin page using the credentials you prepared and note the router model and connected device list. Once done, check the cable into the ONT or wall box. A loose connector is a common source of packet loss. Move fast but methodically to pin down the problem area. You now dig into the router settings. Update firmware if an update is available, because fixes often resolve stability issues. After updating, reboot cleanly. This ensures changes take effect. Inspect DHCP to confirm devices receive proper IPs and that the subnet doesn't overlap another network. If your community fiber uses PPPoE or VLAN tagging, make sure those credentials and VLAN ID match provider specs. Mismatches cause no internet despite local Wi-Fi being active. Take screenshots for reference. You finish by isolating wired versus wireless performance. Plug a laptop directly into the router to test. If wired is fine but Wi-Fi is weak, change channel or move the router for better coverage. If both fail, backup settings and perform a factory reset, then reapply the configuration you documented. If the WAN or fiber link light is off after this, contact the provider and share the logs and LED behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.